If your reading speed is below 200 words per minute, the first tactic for reading fast is using a pacer. Do you remember how you used to pace the reading material with your fingers when you were a child? That is exactly what you'll be doing once again with this technique. There is nothing to get embarrassed about when using this method. After all, it is quite useful to bring about an instant increase in your reading speed. At the same time, it can improve your comprehension. Here are the instructions. First, you should sit properly while maintaining an angle of 45 degrees. Make sure that you are comfortable. Place your elbow on the table and use a single hand to hold the material you're about to read. Use the index finger of the contrary as your pointer. Alternatively, you can use a separate item like a pen or a pencil as your pointer. Now, place the pointer you have chosen the first word. Start pacing by moving the pointer across the lines. Make sure that your eyes are concentrating on the position of the pointer and the words. Keep reading and moving the pointer simultaneously. Proceed to the next line as soon as you have completed one. Here, remember that your pointer will be determining the speed of your reading as well as your focus. You can always adjust your speed if you want to improve comprehension. However, keep it fast enough. Your understanding will catch up with time. If you miss out a few words, forget about them. Keep going on. Force your brain to increase the speed and let it take care of the comprehension and the other details. When you notice that you have lost the thought or you do not understand what you are reading anymore, take a break. Go back to the point when you understood the material. Many speed readers consider hand pacing to be one of the best techniques that can be used for improving this skill. There are several benefits to this process. You can improve your comprehension. The reading speed can be increased indeed. Retention can also be improved significantly. You'll be able to guide your eye as you're reading. You will learn how you can concentrate without being affected by distractions. Do not go too fast and remember not to force it. Your eyes and your brain will eventually get tired and you'll have no clue about what you have read by then. Don't force it. Read it out loud if you must, but only in the beginning and if you explicitly must. The key is to make your eyes follow the finger and at the same time you are creating an image in your brain. When you start thinking about something that has nothing to do with the material, your eyes will still follow, but the brain will not. Make sure that does not happen. Like any activity you wish to learn, you will have to be patient and practice a lot if you want to take the most out of hand pacing. After all, this technique does not require you to move a pointer only. It also teaches your eyes to keep following the pointer. Learning it is easy, but you have to spend time and effort to master it. Spend between 1 to 2 weeks on this technique, 15 to 20 minutes of practice, and become familiar with it. Once you master it, you can move on to the next technique.